Alright guys, I think I drew the coolest car ever. See, you've got the roof rack on top with some camping gear. There's a shovel. It's got the bull bar on the front, some light bars, a nice rear bumper there, and yeah, I think that's pretty cool. I'd like a car like that. Whoa, look, there's one now. So this is my Jeep Patriot. Bought stock way back in the day. And you can see I've had it quite a bit. So I guess let's start with basics. Some tires. These are not stock. These are after I blew the stock tires. I've also got two 2-inch wheel spacers on every one of them. You can see how far that hangs out. Next up, I've got my pipe bull bar here, and that's just mounted to the frame down there. Got a nice deer skull on there. Light bars on the hood, 3 of them. I'll show those turned on in just a minute. Then I've got my hood stacked exhaust. So this is just a elbow sticking out the hood with a resonator tip. This goes down through. I'll show you under the hood in a minute as well. Then I've got some bones there on the antenna. Pretty sweet. This is my second antenna. So this guy is just magnetic. It sticks right on there like that. And that goes to that radio right there. Just a little ham radio in there. Up on top, we've got my flashers. So these, they do just orange or they do flashing orange. We've also got my roof rack. This was the cheapest one on Amazon. I think it was 120 bucks. And what's nice about this, in these 2 sections, those come out. And you can pull out that middle section, make it shorter. You can also buy more middle sections to make it longer. Then I've just got some gear up there and my spare tire, another bone. You get the idea. There's your name right there. That is Norwegian for Steel Raven, and you can see I've got my Raven sticker right there too. Got that down in Moab. Here's my rear bumper. So this is actually meant for a Jeep. I want to say a CJ, an older model. It's meant for a square back. Mine is a round back, so it didn't fit quite right. So what I did is it's actually hitch mounted right now. So I bought an aftermarket hitch because it didn't come with one, and then that just ran some tubing out, got a riser and welded everything together. This is probably my first weld job, so it's kind of crooked. Here's the underneath. Only thing to show down here is my exhaust, so you can see it comes off of the cap there, goes into the flex tubing, and then right back up into the hood. Need a bit more tape on there, didn't hold up too good. On the inside, so we've got here my turn knob, and that's specifically made to match my shifter. And look at that, very redneck. The only reason the handcuffs are on there is to keep it balanced so it doesn't go down like that. And then this button here goes for those 3 light bars up on the top there. So it does have function. Start her up here. You can see right there my heads-up display for all the dash stuff. I've also got the dash stuff down there. And so this is just a little box that reflects up onto a square on the mirror. Right over here is the radio again. It's pretty cool. This right here is a splitter, so that one's the charger for the radio. It's all dusty because I was just driving with my windows down. This goes to my cab lights right there. And then this is for the actual lights on the orange lights on top. And if we rev up that exhaust there, let's see if you can hear it over the wind here. But she's got a nice purr. If we look up front here, we've got just The fog lights are stock. We got here my LED headlights. I got those for discount on Amazon, just 15 bucks for those, pretty sweet. And there's the light bars, extremely bright, and the orange ones on top. So I like to call these light bars the light of Christ. Then when I have all of them on, it's the wrath of God. Not fun to drive with me at night. Alright, here's under the hood. Let's see if you can hear me over the wind. Sorry, it's pretty bad out here. So we've got exhaust there. It's running back down under like I showed you. This is my V8. Ignore that. And then we've got here cold air intake, breather tube, all home done. I did all of this myself. Yeah, and then that just lines right up my hood stack there. So that's fun. I don't know how many horses she's got, but there's at least more than when I bought. Alright, wind's getting super bad, so I'll make this quick. So we've got down here, for the LED lights, we've got my, you can see in there, there's the module that keeps it from strobing. It was really awful without it, so I got that, and then that all just ties into the stock lights. I don't have a horn right now, but I do plan on getting a train horn put in, or I guess I'll do it myself. So yeah. All right, that wind was getting awful, so I'm doing my outro in here. So thanks for watching. This is going to be my first video on this channel. Plan on a lot more, mostly for this car, the Patriot. But probably for some other vehicles as well in the future. Just little fix-it things for other stuff for now until I can start building other cars. I guess if you want to see more, then subscribe. I'd appreciate that. Like this video, get me more views. Let's see if we can get my girl soon.